K-drama fans, welcome back to Best Top 10. If you are a fan of powerful women who take charge and protect their loved ones, then you are in for a treat. In today's video, we are counting down the top 10 K-dramas with protective female leads. 1. It's Okay to Not Be Okay. It's Okay to Not Be Okay is a 2020 South Korean drama that delves into the complexities of mental health and emotional baggage. Ko Moon-young is a best-selling children's book author known for her dark and fantastical stories. Her success masks a deep-seated emotional trauma and antisocial personality disorder. Their paths collide when Moon-young moves to the same town as Moon Kang-tae, drawn to him after he becomes the caregiver for a character in her book. Despite their initial clashes, an unlikely bond forms. 2. Flower of Evil. This suspenseful drama throws a curveball. Cha Ji-won is a detective married to Baek Hee-sung, a seemingly perfect husband. However, Ji-won's past case collides with her present life, revealing a dark secret about Hee-sung. Despite the shock and betrayal, Ji-won's love for Hee-sung never wavers. She becomes his protector, determined to uncover the truth and shield him from further harm. 3. Happiness. Set in a post-apocalyptic world ravaged by a contagious disease, Happiness explores themes of survival and humanity. Yoon Yi-hyun is a badass special forces soldier who returns to her apartment complex only to find it quarantined. She encounters Ha Tae-seok, a detective with a kind heart. Together, they fight for survival, with Yi-hyun's combat skills proving invaluable in protecting Tae-seok and the other residents. 4. Itaewon Class. While Itaewon Class features Park Seo-joon's determined Se-roy on a revenge path, the drama wouldn't be the same without the fierce and intelligent Jo Yi-seo by his side. Yi-seo is far from your typical K-drama damsel in distress. Yi-seo's a social media genius who becomes Dan Bam's manager. She uses her strategic mind to not only promote the business but also help Se-roy expose the corrupt Jung family. Her loyalty is unwavering, constantly looking out for Se-roy's best interests, even when it means clashing with him. 5. Called It Love. In the K-drama, Called It Love, the phrase takes on a whole new meaning thanks to our fiercely protective female lead, Shim Woo-joo. Woo-joo isn't your average heroine. She's a fearless stuntwoman with a heart of gold and a serious case of protectiveness when it comes to Ha Dong-jin, the male lead. Dong-jin is a kind-hearted but clumsy CEO who seems perpetually in danger. Woo-joo becomes his unlikely bodyguard, stepping in to shield him from everything from runaway props to conniving business rivals. She's his knight in shining armor, always there to catch him before he falls. 6. Healer. In this drama, Young Shin is a passionate and tenacious reporter who uncovers the truth. Healer flips the script on the typical damsel in distress trope. Park Min-young's Chae Young-shin is an investigative reporter who's as resourceful as she is brave. While she hires the enigmatic healer for protection, their dynamic evolves into a mutual one. Young-shin uses her investigative skills to aid their cause, and her concern for healer's well-being compels her to protect him as well. Her intelligence and emotional strength make her a compelling protective female lead. 7. The Legend of the Blue Sea. The Legend of the Blue Sea dives into the captivating world of mermaids and Kamen. Set against the backdrop of both historical Korea and modern-day Seoul, it tells the enchanting story of Shim Cheong, a mysterious mermaid, and Dam Seong, a cunning con artist. Shim Cheong, a brave mermaid princess, protects the conman Dam Seong in the ocean. When she goes on land, she uses her cleverness to keep him safe. Their love story highlights Cheong's strength and protectiveness. 8. Vincenzo. In the drama, Cha Young isn't just a fiery lawyer by day, she's a skilled vigilante by night. When Vincenzo arrives, she recognizes a kindred spirit, but clashes with his mafia methods. Despite their contrasting approaches, they form a powerful alliance. As they fight Babel, Cha Young becomes increasingly protective of Vincenzo, shielding him from harm and proving that justice can be served without resorting to violence. 9. Law Cafe. Kim Yuri, the genius lawyer who runs Law Cafe, isn't afraid to throw a punch when the situation demands it. When her former classmate, Jung Ho-in, becomes her new tenant, she's surprised by his hidden depths. Despite their past rivalry, they team up to tackle legal cases pro bono. As they face off against corrupt corporations and powerful figures, Yuri becomes fiercely protective of Ho-in, using her sharp wit and surprising strength to shield him from danger. Their dynamic evolves from friendly competition to a deep partnership, proving that justice can be served with a smile and a well-placed kick. 10. Search, www. In drama Cha In, the formidable CEO of Unicorn Motors, isn't just a titan of the auto industry, she's a loyal protector of those she cares about. When Bae Temi and Song Ga Kyung face online threats and harassment for their work, Cha In uses her influence and resources to shield them. Despite their contrasting personalities, the three women form an unbreakable bond. As they fight against online malice and expose corruption, Cha In becomes a fierce mama bear, using her wealth and power to defend not just her company, but her newfound family. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe and get notified.